तसल्ली होती है, उससे ये दुनिया का छोटा कुरान शरीफ है। एक ग्राम
All Quran.
It's the lightest Quran in the world.
This
One
is
small one. You can don't open it, but you can. It's in the Khat Kufi without any rubber fish.
बना लें तस्वीर बना लें।